Hey,
Hello, hello.
happy Money Making Monday.
Ma'am, what's up? What's up? How are you today?
I am well. I'm well. I'm blessed, excited to see another day. Yeah, so all is well. No complaints here.
Awesome, awesome. Well, let's
How about
dig
yourself?
in. We
All
got
right,
15
come on.
minutes and let's
Let's dig
rock.
in. Who you and where we at? What's all this we got
Guys,
going on?
listen, welcome back. If you are new to Money Making Mondays, my name is Mercedes Coates. I am the CEO and owner of Coatesway Financial. Guys, listen, we're a financial firm. We basically work with business owners and individuals who need to protect their income and assets. We show you how to create tax-free money that you can use throughout your lifetime, also into retirement. And we're going to show you how to transfer that wealth tax-free as well. So that is what we specialize in. I have my partner here, Miss Quintaria Brunson. I will let her speak to what she does.
My name is Quintaria Brunson. I am a financial strategist that is committed to assisting families to living and leaving legacies that they love. So we help put together financial strategies that include real estate, asset protection, life insurance, and business ownership so that essentially, like I said, you can live the life that you desire now and leave a legacy that you would like to for your loved ones. So I love what we do here at Money Making Mondays. We don't hold you all long. We come in, we drop some good information, and we look forward to connecting with you all through consultations, meetings, or whatever in the future. So I'm not going to hold up without any further ado. I'm going to give our quote for the day when we start this off, and then we'll take it from there. So today's quote is, in the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. And that's by Abraham Lincoln.
I love that.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Which is a great segue to living benefits.
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
I
Like,
love that. Actually, I'm a little bit taken aback by that. I love
yeah.
that because my whole
Mhm,
philosophy is enjoy the process of life, right?
mhm.
It's hard to do that when you have all of these factors kind of bearing down on you. And I think most of people's issue is money. In
Yeah,
most cases, a lot of stress comes from money. So as
yeah.
we talk about this topic today, living benefits, we're going to share with you guys some strategies you can use using this special life insurance contract to make
Yeah,
sure that you can keep that peace of mind while you're enjoying that life, while you're living that life, and while you're building that legacy, right?
most definitely. Most definitely. One of the most powerful things that I really began to grasp later in life, like I ain't ancient, but it wasn't like in my 20s, but
Yeah.
really was the stop and smell the roses. Like, really,
That,
to like, what is the point of living and working and and
mhm,
that's all it is just living and working and not really appreciating and really making memories with
mhm.
family and really, so I'm really excited about talking about living benefits because for me, I really think it is something that gives you the peace of mind so that whatever may come your way, you can be in the moment. You can, have what you need to focus on what's most important in life. And hopefully, we want to make money. Like, heck,
Yep,
the title of this is Money Making. It starts
that's
off
it.
with money, right?
That's it.
However, that is not the end all be all. We share these concepts so that you can have the desirable life that you want. Yeah.
Mhm, mhm.
So get your nest eggs out and ready. Get your ink pens ready to get some good information. But let's dig in on these living
Yeah,
benefits
yeah,
because we talk about it often, but we still it's still so many people that don't know what they are. Really, they don't know if they have
yeah.
them all the way, and we don't want them to miss this opportunity to be blessed.
Absolutely. I mean, as you know, our goal is for you guys to start to implement. So we are not just here speaking and giving you facts, but we're telling you stories. We're showing you how to leverage these concepts. And going into a new year, we want to make sure that you are positioning yourself properly, right? So there's three things that I always see. Being in business almost 14 years now, Quintaria, there's three things that people care about. They care about their family and being able to take care of them, right? They care about their health and maintaining it. And the last thing they care about is their finances, making sure that their income can still come in and can last them throughout a lifetime. So when we talk about living benefits, the life insurance industry has actually changed tremendously. A lot of people aren't aware. In 2007, there was a concept that came out by one of the most prestigious financial institutions, their 176-year-old insurance company. Well, they said that, you know what? Life insurance should be there for you in life and not just in death.
Yeah.
So what they did is they changed the game. They disrupted the industry, and now they actually allow you to use your life insurance death benefit as income.
Yeah.
How does that work? So basically, it's like this, guys. There are about 700 something insurance companies nationwide. There are about 20 now that are actually doing this living benefit. So here's the deal. In the event that you get sick, heart attack, stroke, cancer, disability, any type of terminal illness or Alzheimer's, dementia, if you need access to money, you can now file a claim on your life insurance policy at no additional cost and pull from that death benefit early. If you got $500,000, Quintaria, and there is a client who has a stroke and it's severe or mild or moderate, you can pull a certain amount from your death benefit at no cost.
Yeah.
You have to pay it back. So I think, number one, that's a beautiful thing. We got to learn how to protect our income instead of going out to purchase a whole bunch of different policies. It's open enrollment season right now, right? So a lot of people are
purchasing. I'm peeking around myself.
They're purchasing hospital plans. They're purchasing disability plans.
Yeah.
They're purchasing all these different plans, and sometimes they have to choose which one can I afford. I can only get this, but not get that. Can I contribute to my retirement or can I not? Right? So what this concept does is it brings an all-in-one concept where you can now protect your income without paying anything extra.
Yeah.
For your life insurance.
Yeah, no, I living benefits and the mental protection that it gives or mental relief that it gives, so that you don't have to worry if something happens. Will you have to sacrifice? Your family is covered in the event of something happening, and not just like I always say, this ain't grandmama and them insurance where old life insurance policies was in the event was death. Like that was the event that kicked in. But like you said, you can bundle so many of life's needs into these concepts and protect yourself during illness, maintain a quality of life, plan out, like retirement aspects and things of that nature. But it just has so much protection that I want people to really understand the blessing that comes with this. Even beyond that always amazes me is it's no additional cost. Now you have to, it is imperative that you have a conversation with a professional such as Mercedes and myself, because a lot of companies are starting to market this, but it isn't. It's like a buffet, like some buffets are better than others, right? But the companies that we are affiliated with, like they're some of the originators in pushing this concept forward. So there are a lot of things that are included that we just want to make sure that you're fully covered, because it's out there. It is out there, and I'm big on when I'm doing strategy or negotiating a real estate deal or something, we don't want to leave money on the table. And I feel like having life insurance without living benefits is leaving money on the table. And our life and our health and all of that, unlike purchasing a business, right, or a building, like it's so much at stake if you don't have proper protection in place.
Yeah.
And in this day and age, it's no reason why you shouldn't. It's no reason why you can't examine the policy. If you have one, like your current policy, examine it, see where there are holes or gaps or anything that can be improved. And if you don't, there is no reason to wait around when, like Mercedes said, you can bundle life's needs into one of these concepts and have retirement, have protection for illness or critical or chronic situations, or have it bundled so that you're good to go, on top of leaving a financial legacy for your family that's tax-free and all of those other things. So it's like what in my DJ Khaled voice, like win, 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 win. Like we all win around here.
I mean, this crusade is so important, guys. Listen, if you're listening to this, there's no way you should have traditional insurance. At this year, 2024, everybody should have living benefits insurance. If you still have that old traditional plan, I don't care if you purchased it 2 years ago or 15, 20 years ago, it is time to upgrade. It's almost like you still having a flip phone of
Come on now.
We have to upgrade you to the smartphone. For the same price that you're paying for traditional insurance, you can get life insurance with living benefits for the same cost. And to Mercedes, me, it makes no sense not to do it. Right?
I want to challenge us as professionals and individuals who are in the industry. We need to make this the new traditional.
Absolutely.
Like we need to touch enough lives and impact enough people and keep sharing this message, this crusade, so that, you know, we will look around and by this time next year, living benefits is the traditional life insurance, at least in communities like ours. Like there, you know,
Absolutely. I agree with everything you said. I mean, with the increasing health crises that we see in our economy, guys, you know, there out of 2 to 4 people will develop some type of critical illness. That's heart attack, stroke, cancer, disability. Whereas you may be healthy today, you don't know what down the line may bring, right? If you have aging parents, if you are moving into your late 40s into your 50s, you know, even if you're young, you can still get these plans that will carry you throughout a lifetime. And this is about being responsible, right? Not saying, oh, we should get this because we didn't have it before. No, I'm talking about being responsible. So before, I'm kind of talking about, yes, I'm an advocate for reparations, but I'm also an advocate for being responsible for who you are and who you are basically taking care of. If you have we have to start to bring that responsibility factor back, because it starts with you. Nobody's going to do it for you until you do it for you. So I want to see people, like Quintaria said, jump into this wave, start to upgrade to these things so that we don't lose our homes, that we can, you know, focus on recovery versus going to chemo treatment and hurting and having to go to work. This can give that peace of mind for recovery. Statistics say if you don't have a financial burden over your head, you can focus on that recovery, right?
And actually heal and you know, and worst case scenario, you know, it's morbid and people don't want to talk about it, but let's say you are at the end of life. Wouldn't you want to enjoy those, you know, like final moments if you could?
Absolutely.
Instead, you know, like in any way that I can have peace of mind and I can position my family to have peace of mind as well. I think it goes to beyond financial discipline, like what you were speaking to, being financially disciplined to handle your responsibilities, but being emotionally disciplined, you know, and really one of the things I heard before about this industry was like love insurance and really loving on those that we say that we love and putting them in position so that they don't have to stress because we have been responsible. And hopefully we're teaching them these concepts so that they can put these things in place for themselves as well too.
Absolutely.
Well, you know, we don't keep you all long here on Money Making Mondays because it is what it is. We have concepts, we have
Mhm.
solutions for you, we have strategy. We just need you to connect with us. If you've heard something that sparked your interest, if you've heard something that you know that you've been putting off and you're like, today is the day I'm going to be disciplined, today is the day I'm going to make that phone call or book that appointment just to see what I have in place, reach out to us. Mercedes or myself would love to have a conversation with you. It's just 15 minutes.
That's
You know,
it.
it's
That's
just
it.
15 minutes to see where you are and what you have going on. And that will be one of the best 15 minutes you probably have ever spent in your life.
One more call to action. Guys, listen, if you have someone who is an agent, your agent, and they don't offer this, send them to us. We want to hear from you. Send us their information. Guess what? We're always expanding. We're only 2 people, right? We have a team, of course, behind us. However, we're always hiring. We need more people to share this crusade. In order for us to have a big push in 2025, we need more people who can represent this. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone who wants to become an agent and learn what we're doing and be able to share it and get paid. We also want you to come and join our team. So,
Thank you.
contact us.
That's what brought me over. That's what brought me up personally, taking on the policies and helping those in my community and in my database. And it motivated me to become an agent as well. So yes, honey, put these call to actions out there. Y'all see how we do on Money Making Mondays. We love you all. Y'all be great. Reach out to us so that we can see where you are and what you have going on and how we can bless your life as a business person or just to cover your family.
That's it.
Until we meet again next time on Money Making Mondays.
Thank you so much. Bye. See you next